Hey everybody, this is Gregory from Dapp University, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to use POA Network's bridge to convert POA 20 tokens on the Ethereum network to POA tokens on the POA network. In order to transfer tokens from the Ethereum network, we must first connect to it with MetaMask. I'm going to connect to the main Ethereum network. Now I'll select 1,000 POA 20 tokens to transfer to the POA network. I'll click Transfer, and then Continue, and sign this transaction with MetaMask, and success! As you can see, our POA balance has increased by 1,000 on the POA network. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to transfer tokens seamlessly from the Ethereum network to the POA network with the POA Network Bridge. So be sure to subscribe to the channel to see more videos about the POA Network Bridge project. And until then, thanks for watching Dapp University.